From Cambridge Brass. In our tradition of providing a full range of top-quality products in one convenient place, Cambridge Brass now offers TECK stainless steel repair clamps, with more options, including use for HDPE, faster and easier to assemble, and backed by our industry-leading customer support. Available in TECK fastener and lifter plate variations, and 6 standard sizes to ensure the best fit for common pipes. We can even make custom sizes upon request. These repair clamps are manufactured for utmost integrity, feature robotic welding for optimal consistency, and are fully passivated for enduring performance. This attention to detail creates a final product you know you can trust. Assembly is as fast as it is worry-free. After the nuts pass through the TECK finger, they help hold the clamp loosely on the pipe to allow optimal positioning. Once the clamp is in place, you simply engage the nut over the top of the bracket and tighten. Easy. And should an emergency spring up, you can take advantage of our industry-leading customer support. It's all part of Cambridge Brass's commitment to making water work for you. Want to learn more? Visit us online at cambridgebrass.com.